Now let's talk about the spacing between characters. Say we wanted to add a third block of text. So we'll go ahead and enter it in. We want to place this line of text 5 spaces away from sentence 2 on the same line. Let's see what happens when we add 5 spaces in our HTML code with the spacebar and preview it in our browser. So I've entered 5 spaces. I'm going to save the file and I'm going to preview it to see if the spaces show up in our web browser. And as we can see here, only 1 space was registered. HTML ignores spaces, and this process is called white space collapsing. Spaces created by the spacebar, the tab key, and return key are all ignored when you write your code. One way to add additional spaces is to add the following tag. Where you require your space. Your web browser interprets this tag as a single space. It's the equivalent of pressing the spacebar once on your keyboard. So let's go ahead and copy this tag and just paste it 4 more times. So we're trying to register 5 spaces. Now save your document and once again preview it. And now we can see that we have 5 spaces between line 2 and line 3. So that is how you enter single spaces in your HTML document.